I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Honda Civic jack. First, always prioritize safety. Park your Civic on a level, firm surface, and make sure the parking brake is fully engaged. For added security, place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. This prevents any unexpected movement while you are working. Next, locate the correct jack points on your Honda Civic. These are crucial for safe lifting. You can find specific diagrams in your owner's manual. Generally, the front jack points are just behind the front wheels, and the rear points are typically just in front of the rear wheels. Always use the reinforced areas to prevent damage. Now, let's lift the vehicle. Position the jack head directly under the designated jack point, ensuring it's centered and stable. Slowly pump the jack handle to raise your Civic. Lift it just enough so the tire is about 2 inches off the ground. Once lifted, immediately place sturdy jack stands under the vehicle's frame for crucial support before working. Finally, it's time to safely lower your Honda Civic. First, carefully remove the jack stands from beneath the vehicle. Then, slowly release the jack, allowing the car to descend smoothly to the ground. Once fully lowered, remove the jack and ensure all your tools, including the jack and stands, are stored securely in their proper places. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.